Hi there. Okay, so I'm at the Aulani in Oahu, Ko'olina, and I'm going to give you a room tour of their queen bed with a queen sleeper sofa. Our room is 1157, so we're on the 11th floor. Let's head in so you can tell that is sensory activated. Wow. Ooh, love it, love it, love it. Ooh, we get a microwave here. So right when you walk in, get a microwave, some storage up here. Wet bar. Oh, you even get like a little scrubber and some cleaning soap. I love it. Okay, coffee machine. That's a win. Let's check out this. Oh, it's an empty mini fridge, so you can stock that yourself. Let's see what's over here. Oh, trash can. Okay. And it looks here like right to the side of the door is a closet. Okay. Standard closet. Iron board and iron and robes. Let's see. So this hallway here is pretty wide. I could extend both of my arms and not touch either of the walls. This looks like a sliding door for the bathroom. And it's a bath shower combo. It's really pretty stonework on the side there. Very nice. There's the sink area, full mirror. Lighting is a little bit warm, so if you want that bright light, actually there's another switch. Let me see if that brightens it up a bit. It does a bit. It's a little overhead light up here, so just adds a bit more light. You do have a separate room here for the toilet. And here we go. No fan. And our second robe. So yep, staying at the Aulani Disney Resort and Spa. So far so great. The lobby is beautiful. And right when you walk into the lobby, you just have this high ceiling, and you keep walking out and to a balcony where it overlooks the pool and the ocean. So you have here a full-length mirror, connecting door if you were to get a connecting room. And here we just have the king size bed, or queen. It's a queen. Just flip on these lights. And you have two lights here on the side of the bed. That is a queen sleeper sofa, so it does pull out into a bed if you want. It's convenient for those who are traveling with more than two. It's just me and my husband now. We just got married on last Saturday, August 31st, so this is our honeymoon, and this is part 2 of our honeymoon. We were just in Maui, and now we're here in Oahu. So here's some storage and your television. So we do have a walkout balcony. It looks like all the rooms here have balconies. And let's take a look. We have a hill garden view. So we wanted to get a view of the golf course since we had a view of the ocean and pool at our previous hotel. And so let's take a look here. Oh, it's a bit loud. So it's a spacious balcony. You get 2 seats, little coffee table there. Want to have coffee in the morning there. And yeah, you can see just, look at all that. That's so beautiful. Panoramic views. Golf course right down there. This is nice. Just beautiful blue skies. And I'll give you one last panoramic view of our room. And let's see here. Close that. So here it is. It's a queen bed with a queen pull-out sofa couch at Aulani, a Ko'olina resort in Hawaii, Oahu. And you guys, it's very, very nice. Service has been fantastic. We walked in and we were immediately laid, and we also got buttons celebrating our visit. So you can really see the Disney difference, and I'm excited to see how everything else will be. You should take a visit here. Bye-bye.